Basically Eastern Cape or culture yalapha inspiration ngohlobo loba indenza ndikwade. When I look ngapha ndijonge nangapha, like ndiba upset, ndiyonyanya because silahle imvelaphi yethu. First of all sizama uzi-imitator and no loo nto iyandiinspirisha ne. Ndinalaa nto ke mna ethi there's nothing wrong ebomini. If into it's bad, it's not necessarily wrong. So I can't really sit here and say culture yase Eastern Cape it's wrong by ubana bangayi embrace art as a whole or bangathini because loo nto indinike energy. If maybe embrace, I feel like mhlawumbe nami benzoba lazy, but since bengayi embrace I feel like it's partly my duty uba nami ndidlale indima and say guys andinandabani nanenza ntoni, mna I'm just gonna embrace it. So I feel like by them not embracing it bayenza uba mna ndiyi-embrace kakhulu because I'm like, okay, you guys are going this direction, mna I'm gonna go this way. So that's all I can say. But as it is, abenzi next apha Eastern Cape, or let me just say and feeling ngathi benza anything, like there's nothing there, yabo, there's nothing there.